Hey, we are making mushroom cheddar onion burgers, and these are going to be dandy. First off, I want to apologize for this being a little out of focus. Give it another 60 seconds and it'll be cleared up. Anyways, we start off smashing them like you would a smash burger. Basically, I guess that's what it is. But I'm calling it my mushroom cheddar onion burger. Now we're adding some onion. And this onion, when I'm cutting it up, I like to add SPG to it and it helps it wilt. Now we're putting some sliced mushrooms on the griddle. I'm gonna get them nice and warm and maybe a little charred. I tell you, I like to put SPG on them and the onions and all. Man, it smells terrific when you're cooking them up. Well, I think we smashed down on it about long enough. And we'll add a heaping helping of onions to that patty. Okay, we should come into focus right about now. That's a lot better. I apologize for the out of focus. Now I want you to look at that. Have a good char on it. That's what you want. Well, we'll get our buns down on the griddle. Let them start heating up. And we'll mix these mushrooms around a little bit. They're starting to get a little bit of char on them, I believe. And I tell you what, everything is smelling really good. And we'll give this other hamburger patty a flip. Looking good. Now we got a couple of more we're going to smash, but I'm not going to prepare them like I did these other two. These are just going to be for later sometime. All these are looking good and smelling good. Now a little SPG on these mushrooms and a little on this patty, and we'll put a little on the other. Gonna make sure we get all the onion we can on these burgers. Oh, and now it's time to add that cheese on here. Oh my goodness. Well, I think it's time to flip this one over so we can get it prepared to build it into a nice looking burger. Like I said, trying to get all them onions on there. Okay, we'll get this cheese on there and the last meatball down to smash into a burger patty. And then we're going to build the first two into our mushroom cheddar onion burgers. I'm going to tell you what, these are going to be delicious. Now I believe it's time to get a little mayo on that hamburger bun. Get it spread around really good. Oh, my mouth is watering. Now we'll put this one under heavy construction, get it all built. Now we have the burger on the bun, the onion on the burger, the cheese on the onion, and now we're going to put the mushrooms on the cheese. Now I want you to look at this. This is magnificent. This is a piece of art for me. I got to get the mayo on this bun, and this one will be ready to go. And a little SPG on this. Move the finished burger over on a plate. And then we're going to move this one over, and then we're going to smash it. And these two patties will go into the refrigerator, and tomorrow we'll have them for lunch or dinner. Now I want you to look at that. I don't know what you call it, but I call it mighty larrapin'. Delicious, absolutely amazing, and look really tasty too. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.